Now is the time to start getting yourself ready and prepared to do an emergency fund savings challenge for 2026. Now, we have 7 of them that we're doing in 2025, and they're almost completed. And we only have a few more weeks left in 2025. So, if you need to get out of debt, get rid of some things, do whatever you can, because we're going to be completing these savings challenges, and hopefully you have been doing 1 or 2 of them, or whatever you can. So join me as we finish up these savings challenges. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund, which is very important to have. And I'm happy these savings challenges are almost completed. I've completed 1. And hopefully, if you were doing that savings challenge, it was the one working with the rolls of quarters, saving rolls of quarters. That was the money bag savings challenge that's done on Thursdays. Hopefully, you will follow me and you have yours completed, whether you was using a money bag, a container, or whatever. I mean, not completed, but almost complete. No, yeah, it was completed. What am I thinking? Yeah. So hopefully you were able to complete yours and starting over with me, which it will carry over to 2026. Yeah. So I have 7 savings challenges. Today's savings challenge number 7 that I do on Sundays. Yes. And it is working with change. I forgot I'm going to change, y'all. That's okay. I'm not going to go get it. Yeah, it's working with change. And I came up with this savings challenge because someone had dropped me a comment talking about low income. I think they were trying to say that they couldn't do it because of low income. Well, I was like, okay, well, let me come up with another savings challenge, because I only had 6 at the time. So that's when I came up with this one, working with change. Now, I started this in May of 2024. Now look at how much change is in this jar. This thing is so heavy. This is heavier than that money bag. Money bag I was filling up with rolls of quarters. Look at this change. This was empty when I first started. Yeah, so that, I'm in so many words, I'm saying no excuse, no excuse, no excuse. We need to save money for emergency. Not just you, me too. Because we never know what's going to happen. We don't know when they're going to come, and we want to have some money to tap into. And we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses, which, in case something like this happens. And we know it's a lot of this going on right now. A lot of this here. A lot of this is going on. Hopefully, if someone was laid out, they had money to tap into. Hopefully. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. You don't want to be in this situation if this happens right here. You don't want to. No. And it'll also keep you from having to go and get this this, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? Yeah. And if someone is not saving for emergencies, this is what will happen. They run up a bunch of this and go and getting all the things like this. Okay? This keeps us in a hole. And this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And the fees are horrendous. And I feel like this is a great savings challenge, even if this is your situation here. And if it is, do whatever you can to increase. There's ways out here to make money. Lots of ways to make money. You just have to find it. It is not going to fall in your lap. You have to do something to find it, okay? You want to have more than one stream of income. Have multiple streams of income. That way, if something happens to one of them, you got some money to fall back on. And if this is your situation, right here, this is a great savings challenge because it is working with small amounts of money. Yeah, when we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Now, when I first started this savings challenge, I was just grabbing random amounts of change, throwing it in here. Sometimes it would be $1, sometimes $5, sometimes $2, $3, whatever I could get my hands on. But then, when I got to $170, I decided, well, I think if I sat down and calculated, and I said, well, if I put in $50 a week in here, up until the end of 2025, it will be $1,000. Yeah. So we're really close to that in this particular savings challenge. And hopefully you were able to do the same thing. But if you weren't, I understand. Been there, done that. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Just do something. You don't want to be without an emergency fund, okay? Because this is the situation you'll be in. This is old. I need to make a new one. Okay? All right. Yeah. So, we want to make sure we stay out of, what's that called? This is this. Okay? Yeah. And I understand that, sometimes you may have already been in debt, when I start doing these savings challenges. Do whatever you can to come out of it. Sometimes you might have to increase your income. Do whatever you can to come out of it, because it will keep you from being financially free, and you won't be able to save. Now, like I said, don't put yourself in any bind doing these savings challenges. Do what you can, as long as you're doing something, and be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. Like going shopping, buying things you don't need, and all of that. Emergency fund is important. Yes, it is. And if you can, start doing what you can to come out of this. Okay? This will also help you. And, coming out of this can really help us to be financially free. Yes, it will. Okay? Now, another thing, go grocery shopping, buy food and meal prep, buy food and cook, because eating at home is less expensive than eating out. Eating out is expensive. Yes, it is. I know sometimes we don't feel like cooking, but it will really help your finances if you cook food. Okay? And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee or go through this drive-through, and there's another coffee place that opened up near me. It's called Brew 7 or 7 Brew. Oh, I tell you, they got 2 lines, and the lines be wrapped around the building. And so, but if you go in the store, you can buy this coffee. I don't know if you can buy that Brew 7 coffee, but you can buy other coffees. And you have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah. So let's go ahead and read out. Where's my affirmation card? Oh, what's my card? Oh, Wanda. Oh, here it is, right here. Okay. We have daily affirmations that we're going to read and we're going to speak these things in existence. And not only are we going to speak them in existence, we're going to expect these things to come to pass. Okay? It starts off saying, I decree and I declare that money now cometh to me. I decree and I declare sin prosperity now. I decree and I declare that I am debt free and I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account balance is, and put the amount that you want it to be, whatever you want it to be, put that in there and keep speaking until it happens. I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare that I am now financially free. Write these down. Read them every day, all day. Read them in the morning, in the afternoon, and before you go to bed. And keep saying it in your mind. Keep saying it in your mind until you start seeing it. When you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Like if you can see the money in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Whatever you want, whatever you can see in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and add our money to our money jar. Now, what I've been doing is putting $50 worth of change in here every Sunday. But I could only get my hands on $20 worth of nickels. See, 5, 10, 15, 20. And I was going to, and what I want to do is put $50. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this and add it to this 20. This is a 20. This is 20 here. That's 20. See? And this is 30. So that's $50. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to throw it in here, and tomorrow, see what happened. I let the bank close on me. I had 3 minutes to get there and I didn't make it. Well, I got there, but they was closed. So anyway, I'm going to put this $30 in here, and tomorrow I'm going to go to the bank and get $30 worth of change. Okay. First I thought, well, just put $20 in there. I was like, no, I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and add this to it. These are nickels. No, these are dimes. What am I thinking? I stopped at a gas station and got these. Okay? Oh, come on out of there. Come on. 10. 20. This is $20 worth of dimes. 20. 20. Oh, wonder. Drop on the ground. On the floor, I mean. 20. 20. Okay, come on. I have to look down on the ground. 20. So that was 20, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. What am I thinking? Okay, hold on. This was 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay. I think next time I'll make sure I get the change. Get this. This is confusing me. Okay. Okay, so, whoops. So there was $20 worth of dimes and a $20 bill and $10 bill. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to take this and get the change and add it in here. Okay? All right. Like I said, do what you can when you can and how you can. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and record how much we have saved. Yeah, you and I. Those of you who are following me with this particular savings challenge. Okay, where's my pen? Let me see. Does this one right? Yeah, it does. Okay, today is Sunday, November 23rd. And this is our money jar savings challenge. and we added $50. Okay, and the total amount is $850. Wow, because last Sunday it was $800. Yeah, can you believe $800 is in this? Oh, I'm dreading taking this to the bank. Like I said, I got a little small carry-on. I'm gonna put it in there and take it to the bank. But trying to pick it up to put in that coin star, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.